All right, guys. Coach JNL here with your morning jolt. The jolt is about to hit the fan, guys. Are you excited? Let me tell you what. The jolt is about to hit the fan. Hello there. Yes, you got to stay positive. Right now, this is where those that are in faith are going to survive. We got to faith it, exercise our faith muscles, guys. Right now, it is about time to wake up, kick butt, and never give up, guys. Woo! I'm feeling the spirit. We're continuing with our online virtual book club today at 1:15 with our group jolt. This is going to be epic. We're going to be cleaning out the negativity, cleaning out the questions, the confusion. What the hell is happening here? I'm going to give you a motivational kick in the butt because we need it. Right now, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, because I'm still going to celebrate life, you're going to get so lucky. Labor under correct knowledge. Information is power, guys, okay? Right now, just like us working our inner thighs, you got to work your faith muscles right now. This is a test of the human spirit. You need to push through. You need to celebrate. You need to wake up and take action. Now more than ever, your health is your new wealth, guys. It's an equal playing field. You right now have to get up and make no excuses. Let me tell you what. I got an email from one of our VIP sisters saying, JNL, I'm so glad I signed up last year in 2019 because you mentally got me prepared to handle all of the things that are coming at me right now through work, through the news, through the current situation here. I want to say thank you for sending that email. She's like, the January program, A New Year, New You, then February self-love, self-care, taking care of myself, has got me prepared to march on in March. Okay? So, WTF. What the faith? What the faith, guys? WTF. Right now, happy Flex Friday. Happy soon, officially spring. Happy birthday to Tracy Jared. Kathy Ward on Monday, the 16th. Chelsea on the 20th. And Rita Bobita on the 28th. That's your nickname, Rita Bobita. Because I love you guys. All right, so right now, we're going to spring clean our minds, our bodies, our spirit. Don't get lost in the details of unimportant things. Realize what is most important in your life. And don't discard what you need. Spend more time and energy on the important things in your life, like working out, guys. I want to give you the top rules of kicking butt in life. You guys ready? Listen up. Class is in session, okay? 80% of success in life is showing up. You're showing up for your workouts. You're showing up for your online coaching and training. You're showing up for yourself. Today, say it with me. Today, I'm alive. Today, I am grateful. Today, I will execute. You are what you think about. So think about positive energy. If it's now is the time to be more positive than anything. Thank you, Nina. Hello, guys. Jennifer Fillmore. Sally's up in the house. James, that's what's up. When you're about to quit, that's when the miracles are about to happen. Come on, guys. Get up. Invest in yourself. Now more than ever, you got to invest in yourself. Invest in your well-being. You have to always fine-tune musical instruments. You got to take your car to the car shop, right? Take your body, your mind, your spirit. Purge the negative energy, guys. We're going to function out of faith, not fear, here in the VIP land. In VIP land, in the JNL VIP world, we function from faith, knowing that we are already covered in protection. We are already covered and been destined and already exalted high upon a rock, and we don't have to worry about anything. We just got to show it for ourselves. All right, right now I'm going to dare you to make a choice to change your life from average to extraordinary, from broken to booming, from desperation to domination. Who's with me? Being last to being first class. Who am I talking to? Giving up? Are you gonna get up and go? Don't give up. Get up and go. Okay? Right now, you're gonna take confusion into clarity. So here's my fun work for you this weekend. Everybody, spring clean your life. Clean it up. Let's get it up to speed. Work on it. Clean up your relationships, rediscover your talents, straighten out your finances, clear your schedule from all the negativity, and right now, just give thanks. Give thanks for another day, okay? I could be on and on and on, guys. Okay, so, life is a beach and we're going to be playing in the sand today. It is Flex Friday. For everyone that's joining me here in the VIP room, it is a corona-free virus type of workout, okay? Look. You wash your hands if you want to. You're the only one in your room anyways touching your thing, so that's good with me. I want you to get excited about life, okay? And, hold on. Woo! I am jolted. All right, so let's do this. We're gonna fan the faith flames and fan the negativity away. Oh, it smells so good. I put a little of that perfume on and I'm just like feeling the vibes here, guys. Look at this. Coach JNL's here for you. Join me at 8 a.m. for our Friday Flex. It's a mashup. You're gonna need a little wheelchair after this one. It's gonna be so good. Spank. Oh, that's rock hard. Ow. Spanking the tushy, and I'll see you at 8 a.m. And then don't forget, live 1:15. We're doing a group online virtual classroom. So cool, right? You don't have to leave your home. I'll see you guys soon. Let's do this. It's Friday. Hello, Susan. Hello, Nina. Rita, Bobita. If you're not a member, JNLVIP.com. Listen, really, this is a public announcement. If you're a little bit worried about going to the gym, come to JNLVIP.com. We will give you the best workouts your body, mind, and spirit could ever handle, plus some. Okay? Do it today. $1 for your first 30 days, then $24.99 every month after that. You got nothing to lose but excuses and inches. And lose the fear, gain the faith. Let's go. Woo! Love you, Sally.